Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And it's been a while since we posted a crypto market update in this channel. So today I came up with an BTC update for you. So let's discuss what are the bullish and bearish scenario, and let's discuss what happened to the last prediction, whether it played well. So let's get into the chart. Okay. So as you guys can see, I'm on BTC chart here. So this was the previous chart that I used in the video. So there are some extra drawings, so don't consider that now. Okay, last time the prediction was for bullish side, okay, for bullish and bearish side. So here I consider that if the market broke this high, okay, this high that I marked in the black color trend line, the market can go higher. Okay, and also I mentioned that if the 50 EMA, okay, if the market price breaks the 50 EMA, 50 moving average, then it can go for the 100 moving average as a target. Okay, so the market reached that also. And so that was my bullish prediction. And the bearish, you can go and check in the channel. So the bullish scenario has played in this market. Okay, so let's see what are the future movements of the market. So I have break down this wave. Okay, so let's discuss what will happen in the future, near future. So as we see here, I'll just undo the drawings here. Okay, so since we are in a first wave, okay, the first wave, and now we are going for a second wave here. So in the second wave, we have finished this A wave. Okay, we have finished this A wave, and you can see that the market is going for another. The market has moved here, right? You can see this impulse wave. So yes, you can see this impulse wave. 1 2 3. So let's break down this level, this impulse wave. Okay, before that, I'll just say why I mark this level as POI zone. Okay, so if you consider that this is an A wave slow, right? This level is an A wave slow. So with this and this high, this is the recent high. So the market has given a big upward movement, so that we can consider that as a low and this as a high. So according to this, the B wave can end up with 0.618 and 0.6 fib level, or even 0.76. Okay, can even, but it cannot be retraced 100%. If this high, okay, if this high is broken, then we can expect a upward movement. Okay, so still we didn't break this very big high, recent high, okay, all-time high. So the market is still struggling in between this 0.61 fib level and 0.6 level. So I have given update regarding this. Okay, and you can see that the market has broken this 100 moving average. You can see the moving average, right? So every time the market broke moving average, what it does, it come for a retest. Okay, not every time, but frequently it comes. Okay, so if it comes for a retest, guys, you can see that we have this level 0.5 fib level. So the market can take this 0.5 level as a support here. Okay, yeah, the market can take this as a support, because why? The market has broke this moving average, and as well it has broken this 0.5 level also, and it can come for a retest. Okay, and go for here. Okay, this will be the target next. So if this price couldn't hold above this, if the market price didn't hold above this, then we can expect a drop, impulse drop. Okay, impulsive drop we can expect. Okay, so what was the bullish scenario? Okay, if the market, so pullback is expected in the market, guys. Okay, I'll just you can understand when I break down that impulse wave. Okay, a small pullback can happen, and then can go for another impulse. and can happen another downward movement. Okay, the short term is for a bullish scenario. Okay, can come for a pullback and go for a bullish scenario. To talk about the bearish scenario, you see if the market, let's say if the market reached here, so let's take if the price reaches through this 0.76 level. So if the market did not hold the price above this, then we can expect a impulsively drop here, because since this is an A, B and the C should be a impulse, because you see here we have this A is very sideways and it took so much duration. So the C will be the opposite. It will be an impulse and short. Okay, it will be in a short. It will be done in a quick time. And let's break down this impulse wave. Okay, so you can now you know why I took this POI level. So most of the time market turns from this level. Okay, so let's let's break down this impulse one. Okay. So now we are now the market has created the B wave. Okay, as I mentioned before, the market is forming a B wave, right? So let's keep like that. Okay, so how a B wave is formed in a three wave pattern. Okay, it's A B C. Our A is formed in a five wave pattern. The C also formed in the same pattern. So you see here we have this wick, right? So this is only seen in Binance. You can check on the other platform, it's not there. So I'll neglect that for now. As you see here, we have this five wave form here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have five wave format here. So we can consider this as a wave. Okay, since it has five wave, so this this is forming a B wave, right? So we need ABC zigzag correction or a complex one. So now we can see that the A wave is this. Okay, so why the reason? The reason is first, okay, five waves are there: 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, and 5. So it completes the A wave. Okay, it's complete the A wave here. So B is here, it doesn't matter. Okay, so B can be there. So C should be the last one. Okay, it should be here. So even if you consider that, now the C wave also should be in a what, five wave format. Okay, if A is five wave, then it should be also in a five wave format. So here see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a bearish scenario, keep that in mind. Okay, so the bullish was, I explained it earlier. So the bearish is this. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another impulse. I'll just mark out that also. So that completes our C wave. That completes our C wave. So also complete the C wave, and as it completes the B wave as well as. So if the market, okay, as I mentioned before, if the market yeah, for a temporary moment, if the market breaks this high, okay, so the market can short termly go for the 0.78 fib level. Okay, so the structures will be changed for a short term. So this will be invalid. Okay, if you are in a short position, this will be a invalid zone. If this is breached, then it can consider as a invalid bearish scenario. Yeah, since it is in a good POI level and zone, so market can drop like this. Okay, because it's in a, it has completed the B wave. Okay, so after the B wave completed, so now it should form a C wave. Okay, so anything doesn't go this smoothly. so there can be a volatile movement in the market. Okay, so news will be impacting the next few weeks. Okay, next weeks, this week and the next week. So we should consider, and the market can change according to the news also fundamentally. So we should consider that in the mind also. Okay, the invalid zone that I gave now is for a short term. If this break, then we can go for that 0.78 fib level. Okay, so which is over here 1,08,000 or something. Yeah, 1,08,000 and 5,000. I'll just mark up for you. Yeah, this is the fib level I'm talking about. Okay, so if the invalid zone is breached, broke upside, then we can reach for this 100. Yeah, this 100,000 price range. Okay, then market can the B wave can be here. Okay, B wave can be here. So this, since it has finished the B wave, so the next target for the C wave, which is an impulse wave. Okay, impulse wave. So yes, it can reach this yeah, it can reach this 65,000 range. Okay, so why I consider the 69, 66 is that's in the previous. Okay, previous mean if the market reach this 1 lakh level. Okay, so market reaches 1 lakh level, so the market can, this 68,000 can be a good reversal point. Hope you understand. Okay, this 68,000 will be a good reversal point if it reaches the 100,000 price range. So with the current data, if it dumps from the current market, okay, see the next price it can go is 65,000 range. Okay, yeah, this will be the range for the next if a drop happens, it will be impulse one. So it's possible thing. Okay, so I'll mark this C wave. It can yeah, range after the C wave is completed, it can even range here in this level. Okay, even can go for this. Yeah, I guess this 65 will be a good reversal point. Okay, so if that happens, then the second wave is completed. We have this first wave, we have the first wave and the second one, and the third one will be created. Okay, third will be created. So hope you all understood the bearish and bullish scenario, and that's it for the video, guys, and let's meet up on another crypto market update. And if you want any coin for any analysis, please comment in the section, then see you all in another good video. Bye, guys.